Okay, so here we have a week 1, and we have our main source code folder, our test folder. Here's hello world, and then here's our test, and remember our unit test. We're going to import, and we gave it an alias here of hello, so when we call it down here, we want to make sure that we have that message printing out hello. So if I happen to go here and notice if we run this test, it says yes, test run, and everything's okay, and there's my output. But if for some reason I went and changed this code, then I went and ran my unit tests again, and now it failed, failure equals 1. So that's another way unit tests are helpful. If there's some specification that changes, or something that changes that would go against a specification, then we know that. So if we're running code somewhere else and we run into that, that can happen. So let's connect this to GitHub. We already have GitHub enabled here, so we just want to go down to import into version control, and we want to share project on GitHub. And notice I don't have any doc string or anything that I should. Bad teacher. I'm not putting a description. I'm going to go ahead and call it week 1. I could put a description. Hello world with no comments. So we know that that's not good. So we go ahead and we're sharing that. We can see down at the bottom 2 processes are running, and it was wanting to put the get master. Go ahead and check all those. It wants to do week 1, has the idea files, has all of these, has all these interesting things in there. So I don't know that we need to push all that. We do want our test and that, so let's leave out that VMV for now, see if that messes up anything, and hit OK. We're waiting. It says it's pushing to GitHub master. Successful. Contribution action created to, there we go, week 1. And then I have my main source code, hello world, like you saw.